Welcome back everyone to another delicious episode. This is Susan here, and today we're making a nice, quick and easy, classy roast chicken. Just look at that, with roast potatoes as well. Let's get cooking. First, we're going to butterfly our clean chicken here. Just chop through its chest there. And then we're just going to clean it up some more. And now we're going to season it with a big dash of pepper all on the inside and a good drizzle of olive oil. And we're going to cover that with some salt on the inside for now. We're going to do the same for the outside. Flip it over and sprinkle salt all over the surface of the chicken there. Every nook and cranny, even under the wing pits. There we go. And rub it in. Now we're adding some chicken spice. We're just sprinkling here, but we thought it was going to take a little bit longer. We're going to use a teaspoon rather to spice things up more faster. Just sprinkle it everywhere, cover every nook and cranny. Use as much as you can, as long as it sticks to the chicken. There we go. Just sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And we're done. Now rub everything into the chicken. And next we're going to cover it with some wrap. And we're going to leave it in the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours to let the flavors be absorbed by the chicken for the roasting. While that's happening, we're going to prepare our cooking dish here with some tin foil. We're going to lightly brush it with some olive oil. There we go. So that the potatoes don't stick. And then we're just going to layer on about 4 or 5 medium-sized potatoes that we chopped into chip sizes. There we go. Just layer it on. And we're going to brush them now with some olive oil, followed by a good dash of salt and a good dash of white pepper and another good dash of black pepper. There we go. Next, take your brush there and just brush it all over to make sure the pepper and the salt is all over the place. There we go. And we've preheated our oven to 175 degrees. The whole cooking process will only take 1 hour. We'll put the potatoes down there on the bottom shelf and the chicken in the middle shelf there on the grill area. It's been about 15 minutes. We decided to add 1 onion here to get more taste out of them potatoes there. There we go. And let that cook for another half an hour. Oh, there we go. It's 30 minutes. We're going to flop the chicken now. Be very careful in this process. It's very easy to be burned here. I suggest you wear some oven mitts for this. And then we're just pulling it halfway to just flip it over. Don't mind if some of that chicken oil juice there falls on top of the potatoes. Actually, that's what we want. The potatoes will also absorb all that delicious chicken goodness with some of its flavorings. There we go. We also decided to add some tomatoes because we love roasted tomatoes. There we go. Just throw them in there. And after you're done, we're going to close the lid again or the cover. And it's ready. A good, quick and delicious, easy dinner. There we go. Look at that beautiful golden color there. And the delicious potatoes, onions, and tomatoes. What a delicious meal we're going to have. Right. There we go. We're just busy chopping up the chicken, restaurant style. Start with the wings there. And then the big chicken thighs. Chop it off. And while that's happening, this recipe is so simple and easy to make. Very great for people who are so busy in the day that they don't want to think about cooking at night. Just prepare it the night before and just throw it in the oven. And you have a great, delicious dinner that everybody loves. The chicken is so delicious from all that chicken spice and saltiness. We also love to serve this with some cut lemons because the zestiness really does fire up our hungry appetite. The chicken is still very juicy and just the right amount of tenderness. So I really do think you guys will really enjoy this recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really do appreciate all you guys' support. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a good like and give us any suggestions on any future videos or how we should improve. Please don't hesitate to comment, and we will respond to all of them comments. And if you haven't hit that bell icon yet for notifications on more future videos, please do so right now, or you'll miss out. Alrighty then, signing out. This is Susan. Till the next video, gotcha.